how to link to section on page in Elementor. So here I've just opened up my Elementor account. We want to hover over our website and we're going to click on edit with Elementor. Now the first thing that we need to do here once our website loads is select the section to which we want to link. So for example, I'll just click on this first section here, and this is going to be my heading. Then we're going to go to the advanced tab, and where it says CSS ID, we need to write something memorable. So for example, I'll write here intro. Now after we have written this, what we have to do is we have to publish our website, and then we are going to create the anchor link or the anchor block. So for example here, I'll just delete this table that I had. I'll click on the plus sign, and let's say we want to link with text, for example. So text editor here. I'll type out whatever I want to link. For example, I'll do this is our newest product. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a link for this piece of text here for newest. I'm just going to highlight the text itself. Now you can do this with a button or whatever else you want, but I'm going to click on insert/edit link here, and I'll type out hashtag intro. I'm going to press enter here. And now if I click on intro, it should load up my the beginning of my website. And that's how you create a link to a section here on Elementor. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.